How do we improve the lead time? But wait, why do we need to improve the lead time? In the previous video, I showed you that the value is only generated when the idea or the feature is at the customer side. And I showed you that the lead time is the time which it takes from the initial idea until the feature is at the customer side. So, when the feature is at the customer side, the customer will pay us for that feature and we will earn money for this feature. So that we have money for new ideas which then flow through this system where we can provide the customer with new ideas or new features, and we again earn money for that. So by improving that lead time, we can faster generate value for our customers and therefore we can faster earn money. That's why we need to improve the lead time.